What's good, Josh? Your girl Isha Levette back at you with another little one too. And today I got a little cucumber salad. It's a little juicy down there. I've been marinating it for a minute. Little cucumber salad, cucumber, tomato, onion, and then I got some. I think these is blackberries. Is these blueberries? And some grapes. I don't know what kind of berries this is, but they berries. You know what I'm saying? So let's give it a little whirl. It's a cute little day. All that rain is gone, y'all. Oh, Lord. All that rain is gone, and we is ecstatic about it. You know what I'm saying? Look at her. She's cute now. Let's give it a whirl. Thank you, Lord. My bad. I'm watching these people. Child. So my whole thing is, just because a bitch is big boned, it don't mean she don't eat vegetables. It's a myth. It's a myth. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a myth that fat people don't eat vegetables. Now, granted, they might be fried, dyed, and laid to the side, but bitch, who gives a fuck? Like, I don't need a motherfucker worried about my health more than me. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, so y'all, I got a confession. When I get off work, I'm going to the Weed Man. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I don't give a damn. I'm so sorry. I don't give a damn. I'm going to the Weed Man because I like to smoke. I like to smoke. And I just feel like, you know what? I can sacrifice something else. I can sacrifice something else. So, that's that on that, bitch. I lasted 7 days. 7 whole nights. I lasted a good 7 days. You know what I'm saying? And granted, I've quit smoking for longer. You know what I'm saying? Like, it got me in a chokehold, but I don't know. I'm going back. It's safe to say that the reefer won this go around. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can quit eating meat. Bitch, I can eat a little healthier and all that type of shit. But baby, I'm not ready to give up my herb. And that's that on that. It's okay. It's okay. You know what I'm saying? It is okay. Yeah. And maybe one day I will really be sincere about giving it up. Definitely not today. So, yeah, this time the reefer really won. So it is what it is. It's juice. It's vinegar, a little olive oil, and like a teaspoon of sugar. Just a tinge to cut that vinegar. No salt, no pepper. There's probably some of that Mater juice in there too. Anywho, I hope you're having a good Monday. I am. I just had to this fruit is warm. I don't like that. Oh shit. It's like after I rinsed it. Because I put soap and water on my fruit. I don't know how y'all wash your fruit. That's the only way. It's not the only way I know how, but that's how I wash my fruit. Soap and water. I don't know. How you supposed to wash it? With baking soda and shit like that? Lime and all that? Maybe a little vinegar. I don't know shit. Bitch, I use soap and water. If the bacteria ain't killed by the soap and water, I don't know to tell you shit. But I guess you're trying to get the wax shit off, huh? I don't know, y'all. I hope this combination don't give me the bubblies. That's an odd combination, but it's good. We had spaghetti today. I didn't want that bullshit. I don't want no motherfucking spaghetti. I don't want no spaghetti. And then it was like, what's that, linguine shit? Linguine noodles. Pouch Alfredo. Canned sauce, tomato sauce. I don't want that bullshit. Frozen chicken parm. Like, come on now, man. Wasn't nothing fresh. So, who's this little nigga? Lady just walking around. That lady just walking around in her sports bra. Bitch, it ain't even hot like that out here. Well, I guess it's hot. If she is unhoused and all she doing is booting and scooting up and down the street, it probably is hot for her. Because ain't no telling where she done came from, where she done walked from. So, anyway, y'all, that's all I had to tell y'all. I had to come on here and let y'all know, just in case y'all see me lighting a torch. Just in case y'all see one of them things in betwixt my lips. Just know your girl tried. I tried. So it is what it is. You know, players fuck up too. And then I was watching something. I don't know where I heard it at. Where I heard it from. But they was basically like, it was like, you gotta have a reason. You know what I'm saying? Why you doing the shit you do. You know, whether it be fasting or whatever you may sacrifice, or, you know, like this 75 hard. I don't know if y'all heard of 75 hard challenge, where you just just make changes for 75 days. You diet, so you eat right, 10 pages of a self-help type of book, you know, something like that. You work out twice a day for 45 minutes. One is outside. One of the workouts has to be outside. I don't know if it was that or where I got this information from, but it was basically saying, you know, you have to have a reasoning behind why you giving up something. I don't know what my reason was to stop smoking. I just felt like I needed a break. I felt like I needed a break because I was really abusing it. But now I'm like, was I really abusing it? I was abusing it. What is considered abusing it? I don't know, y'all. Shit, I'm so wishy-washy with the shit, so I don't know. I might not even start back. I might try to last till the 1st, which is tomorrow. Oh well, fuck it. I got the right to be indecisive about something, goddammit. So, what's on that? I think next time I'm gonna try this with just like lemon juice. I'm gonna try it with lemon juice. Let's see what that do. It's apple cider vinegar in here. So, anywho, y'all. Oh shit. I hope y'all having a good day. A beautiful Monday. I'm finna edit this video and drop it. Let's see if I do, because I feel like this video a little dry. This video a little dry today. I don't know, y'all. So, we shall see. Child, there's some characters around here. There's some characters. My Dolphins play today. And I bet me and Brother Deacon we done placed the bet because he liked the Titans. So the Dolphins is playing the Titans today or tonight. So we gonna see if a nigga gonna run me my 20, my Twinkie, my dub. You know what I'm saying? Or that's his motherfucking ass. I don't know if the Dolphins is gonna win, bitch. I ain't even watching the game this season. I just became a fan of the motherfuckers. So, we shall see. Bullet boy got a long ass neck. That motherfucking neck long as shit. Long neck with a little bean head like it. Child, anyway. I hope y'all having a great, beautiful, great day. May it be even better. May you get some good news, you know what I'm saying? Anywho, y'all, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to your girl, Isha Levette, and I catch you again on another one.